Ladies and gentlemen,
Uganda erimu ebyaro 7,214 kandi byona nibiija kuteera akaruru ka chairman w'entebe y'okubanza aha biro 28 okwamushanju omwaka ogu okurugirira aha nkyenderwaho eyashohozibwa erizooba chairman w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu omu ihanga omuramuzi Simon Byabakama okuteera akaruru kutakabiireho nihiija kubaho abarayihandikise kwesimba kuronda obushagiki kandi za kampeyini ezi niziija kumara ebiro 8.
Kampeyini zaabo nabagenda kwesimbawo ku chairperson mu byalo zijja kumala ennaku 8 nga zitandika ennaku 2 nga zikomeekerezeddwa ennaku 27 omwezi gw'omusanvu. Akidde mu kampeyini z'ebyalo chairperson w'ebyalo 2 gw'omusanvu mpaka 27 gw'omusanvu. The campaign meetings of public rallies shall be conducted within the stipulated time, that is from 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. on each of the campaign days. Nti campaign zijja kukolebwa kuva saa emu kumakya mpaka saa 12 za lwegulo.
Omuramuzi Byabakama nashoborera ngu za kampeyini ezi niziija kuba aha kyaro nahabwekyo tibarikuteekateeka ngu omuntu weena nabaasa kugira kampeyini omu kyaro kitari ekyo ekyayesimbiremu.
The campaigns will take place and be limited to within the village of the candidates. Nti campaign zo kwesimba mu kyalo zikolere mu kyalo ekyo, togenda mu B ate kyogenda mu B kubanga abalonzi mu B tebagenda kukubira kabululu mu kyalo. Okulonda kwa LC1 chairperson LC1
aha Rwakabiri ebiro 28 okwamushanju nibyo abantu omu byaro 7,214 bariteera akaruru k'okuronda ba chairman b'ebyaro byabo okuteera akaruru kuryaba aha kyaro ekyo kandi okurugirira Justice Byabakama kuryaba okw'abantu kuteera orunyerere enyuma yaabo abo barikwenda.
Polling for election of village chairperson will take place on Tuesday 28th of June 2026 in 71,214 villages where the position is contested throughout Uganda. Polling for C1 village chairperson 28th July 2026. Please note, for purposes of this election, each village is a polling station. Tokulonda kujja kubeera ennaku 28 omw'omusanvu mwaka guno mu byalo 17,214 ate buli kyalo ye polling station. Omukulonda kuno okw'ebyalo ekyalo ye constituency ate ye polling station. The village is the constituency and also the polling station.
Ahizooba ry'okuteera akaruru harabanza habeho okukyebera enkarara z'abateezi b'obururu kureebeka ngu abo abari omu rukara rw'abateezi b'obururu kandi abahikire nibo bateera akaruru aka.
They will be verified. This is very important. They will verify whether Byabakama is eligible to vote in these elections on the village register. Byabakama mu register y'ekyalo waali naye ajja kusimba layini oba agenda kubeera mu layini ng'omulonzi oba nedda. The register is the one to confirm that you will be in the line as a voter.